So today we're trying to get a bag fitted for my bike. We're gonna have a side bag for my bike, probably over here. The online options are pretty expensive and I can't afford it at the moment. So I'm using my old college bag, and I came to a cobbler near my home. He's getting the bag measured out. Eshtana? 50 rupai. Oh my god, so it's just 50 rupees. And here, if you want to visit, you can feel free to come to Ganika Bhagya. Right guys, so the bag has been stitched and it looks absolutely beautiful. It goes very well with the color of the bike, and I did save a shitload of money on this accessory. So I'm gonna come here and treat myself to some avocado juice. Alright, so I got 2 avocado milkshake instead of 1 because I feel very rich right now after saving all the money on the bag. So yeah, I'm gonna go home and enjoy these for myself.